Is that noise?
I was waiting outside for my Lyft driver when I heard this weird noise in my backyard.
What the fuck is that? I'm scared. I'm not even joking. I'm actually scared. What the fuck is that, bro? I'm actually scared right now. The driver's around in 9 minutes. What are you talking about? Get me out of here. What the fuck is that? What is that, bro? Is that what's it called? Is that raccoons fighting? That's just scary. What the fuck is that, bro? Nah, fuck this. Why am I doing this to myself? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that, bro? What the